This video will show how to replace the valve cover gaskets on a Honda Acty truck or van with the E07A engine. These gaskets can be purchased from our website at willpower.us. Link will be in the description. These are the minimum tools necessary: a 10mm wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, any kind of blade, and a socket set, specifically the 10mm and 14mm sockets. Using a 14mm socket, remove the 4 bolts holding down the engine cover and remove the cover. First, locate the vent hose on the valve cover. Using pliers, loosen or remove the hose clamp and remove the hose. Next, remove all 3 spark plug wires by pulling straight up from the top, not the wires. Now is a good time to remove the throttle cable from its clip. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the cable holder. It's possible to not remove this piece, but it's more difficult to remove the cover, and you risk breaking the plastic piece. There are 4 10mm bolts holding on the valve cover. From underneath the truck, just forward of the engine, a single 10mm bolt holds the hanger that supports the throttle cable. Remove the bolt and move the cable out of the way. Using a flat blade screwdriver, slowly pry off the valve cover. You should now have clearance to remove the valve cover. Now is a good time to inspect your timing belt if you haven't done so recently. Remove the old seals on the cover. Clean the seating surface and install new seals. For the bolts, I found it easier to just use a sharp blade to cut off the old ones. Install the new metal cap if supplied, or reuse the old ones and slide on the new gasket. Not shown, verify the seating surface is clean on the engine. Reinstall the valve cover. Reinstall 10mm bolts, hand tight evenly. Be sure the gasket on the timing belt cover is not pinched. Don't forget the plastic wire bracket. The manual does not list a torque for these bolts, so tighten evenly until snug. Reinstall the plug wires and the vent hose. Reinstall the throttle cable hanger. Install engine cover.